Today I am reviewing the Clore Automotive Jump-N-Carry JNC660. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been working on cars for a long time, and if there's one thing I have learned, it is that a cheap jump starter is worse than no jump starter at all because it gives you a false sense of security right up until the moment you are stranded in a dark parking lot. That is why I finally stepped up to the Clore Automotive Jump-N-Carry JNC660, and after putting it through its paces, I can tell you that this is not just another consumer-grade toy. This is a professional-grade workhorse that actually delivers on its promises. When you first pick this unit up, you immediately notice the weight. It feels substantial and dense, which is exactly what you want in a jump starter, because that weight comes from the 22 amp-hour Proformer battery inside. Most of the modern lithium-ion packs you see these days are great for charging a cell phone or maybe boosting a small sedan on a warm day, but they often lack the raw cranking power needed for a completely dead battery or a larger engine in freezing temperatures. The JNC660 uses lead-acid technology, which might feel old school to some, but when it comes to reliability and sheer displacement of energy, it is still the king of the mountain. The 1700 peak amps advertised here are not just a marketing number. I have used this to jumpstart everything from small 4-cylinder imports to heavy-duty V8 trucks, and even some farm equipment that had been sitting for months. It provides a consistent and aggressive surge of power that turns the engine over instantly. You do not get that clicking sound of a struggling battery when this is hooked up. It just works. One of the standout features that makes this so easy to use for text-to-speech applications or for anyone working under a hood is the cable length. You get 46 inches of heavy-duty number 2 AWG cables. If you have ever tried to jump a vehicle where the battery is tucked way back near the firewall or in a cramped engine bay, you know that short cables are a nightmare. With nearly 4 feet of reach, you can set the unit securely on the ground or on a stable part of the chassis and still reach the terminals without having to balance the jump starter precariously on top of the engine. The clamps themselves are industrial grade with high-tension springs that bite through corrosion and dirt to ensure a solid connection every single time. I also really appreciate the built-in voltmeter on the front of the unit. It is simple and analog, which I prefer because it is easy to read at a glance. By pressing the red button, you can see exactly where the internal battery stands. This takes the guesswork out of maintenance. You should always keep these units charged, and the JNC660 makes that easy with its built-in charging system. You do not need to hunt for a proprietary wall wart or a special adapter. You just plug a standard household extension cord directly into the front of the unit, and it handles the rest. Beyond just jumping cars, the 12-volt DC outlet is a lifesaver. I have used it to power portable air compressors and even small vacuums. Because the internal battery is so robust, it can run these accessories for a significant amount of time without breaking a sweat. If I had to find a downside, it would be the weight for people who might struggle with lifting 20 pounds, but that weight is the trade-off for performance. You are buying this for the peace of mind that it will start your car on the first try in the middle of a blizzard. It is rugged, and the blue casing is high-impact plastic that can take a beating in a garage environment. In a world of plastic gadgets that break after a year, the Clore Automotive JNC660 feels like a tool that will last a decade. It is a serious piece of equipment for people who value reliability above all else. If you want a jump starter that professionals actually use in towing yards and repair shops, this is the one you buy. It is worth every penny for the confidence it gives you every time you turn the key.